Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to fade out video in Canva. Now, what is fading out a video? Fading out a video is a simple yet powerful technique that significantly enhances the overall presentation and viewer experience. Why is this important? 1. For professionalism and smooth transitions. A sudden cut at the end of a video can feel jarring and unprofessional. Fading out creates a smooth and gradual transition, leaving a more polished impression on the viewers. Now, the second reason or importance is it improves viewer engagement. The fade out effect subtly cues the viewer that the video is ending, allowing them to mentally prepare for the transition. This can improve viewer engagement and prevent a sudden and abrupt end to their viewing experience. 3. It enhances storytelling. Fading out can add a sense of finality and closure to your video, reinforcing the message or theme you are conveying. It can create a more impactful and memorable ending. Next is versatility. That is the fourth importance. Fading out can be used in various contexts, from short social media clips to longer presentations or marketing videos. It is a versatile technique that can be applied to a wide range of video projects. By incorporating this fade out effect in your Canva videos, you can elevate their professional quality, improve viewer engagement, and create a more polished and impactful final product. Now that we've seen the importance, now let's move on into the main thing, which is learning how to fade out. Learning how to fade out video in Canva. Now, the first thing we're going to do is open up your Canva, of course. So we're here. This is the home page of Canva. The next thing you're going to do is open your video project. So you can either create a new video or open an existing one. Now, I want to open an existing one. So I pick this one. So I've added it to the Canva. That's the next thing. This is the video on its own. Let me show you. Oh, for a better experience, wait, let's play it here. Okay, now we're gonna close this. We have more all the way down here. It's not over, but let's move on. Okay, that's actually the last thing. It's actually the last thing. So now I want to fade it out. So to fade out, we have to add one more to the last. One more to it. So let's see how we're gonna do that. Upon edit, we don't want to filter it, but to add one more. Okay, no, this is for the page. I want for the tap on add page like that, and instead of using the green color, we can use one of these two colors, either black or white. So like I said, at the end of the video, add another page. Click on the color icon top of the editor, which is this one, and choose white or black. Let's say I want to use white. Then we add a transition. So click on the transition tab and add a transition. And now that we've done that, we've chosen a transition. The popular choices are dissolve, wipe, and push. I've applied that transition, and then we've adjusted the transition duration and the direction, and that's it. Once we're satisfied, now we play the video and see how it goes. Let's go towards the end. That's it. So the next thing, if you like it, you're going to download it. You tap on share, tap on download. So click download, and then click on download again to save your video with the transition. Please try to experiment with different transitions. Try different transitions to find the ones that best suit the style and mode of your video. Keep your transitions short and snappy. Avoid overly long transitions as they can disrupt the flow of your video. Consider using a consistent transition style to create a more polished and professional look. By following these steps, you can easily add smooth and engaging transitions to your Canva videos, making them more dynamic and visually appealing. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more, because we put up a lot of helpful tips and tricks like this every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.